Here in front of us we have question number 3 of exercise 3.1. The cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. So represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So let cost of 1 kg of apple is x and cost of 1 kg of grapes is y rupees. So according to question, first equation, first condition is 2 kg of apples, 2 kg of apples cost is 2x plus 1 kg of grapes, that is y, equals to rupees 160. So this is the first equation. Now second condition, according to question, after a month the cost of 4 kg of apples, that is 4x plus 2 kg of grapes, that is 2y, equals to rupees 300. So this is our equation number 2, and these two equations are the algebraic representation of the situation. So first and second are the algebraic representation of the situation. Now for graphical representation, we will find the solution. We will put some values of x and find the value of y. So let's start. For the first equation, that is 2x, x is this, plus y equals to 160. X, y. X is, let's say x is 80. 2 for x is equal to 80. 2 into 80 plus y equals to 160. Then y becomes 0. Now for x is equal to, suppose 60. For x is equal to 60, 2 into 60 plus y is equal to 160. Then y becomes 40. Now suppose x is 40. If x is 40, then 2 into 40 plus y is equal to 160. Then y is equal to 160 minus 80 is 80. So these are the three solutions for the first condition. Now for second equation is 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. X, y. X is, suppose 60. For x is equal to 60, 4 into 60 plus 2y equals to 300. Then 2y equals to 300 minus 240 is 60. So y becomes 30. Now for x is equal to 40. If x is equal to 40, 4 into 40 plus 2y equals to 300. So 2y equals to 300 minus 160 is 140. So y become 70. Now for x is equal to 50. 4 into 50 plus 2y equals to 300. 2y equals to 300 minus 200 is 100. So y equals to 50. Now we will represent this solution for the equation in the graph. So I will only take positives, that is x-axis and y-axis, because there is no negative value in our solution. So x is 80 and y is 0. If x is 80 and y is 0, the point is here. This is the point. Now x is 60 and y is 40. X is 60 and y is 40. This is the point. Now x is 40 and y is 80. This is the point. Now join the line. So join the points. We will get a straight line. So now give the value to the point. This is 0, x is 80, y is 0. Next is x is 60, y is 40. Now x is 40 and y is 80. Now for the second line, same way, x is 60 and y is 30. So this is the point. Now next is x is 40 and y is 70. This is the point. Now next is x is 50 and y is 50. X is 50 and y is 50. So this is the point. Now join these points carefully. Again you will get a straight line. This line is for 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. This is little bit we cannot say that this line is straight. If you will draw it with the help of scale, it will be the straight line. So give the name to the points. 60 30. This is 60 30. 60 30. 40 70. This is 40 70. And 50 50. This is 50. Now, and this line is for 2x plus y is equal to 160. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlife.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.